Have you ever felt like your face is dry, tight, or irritated right after you wash it? It's easy to blame a new product, but the real issue might be simpler than you think. The choice between a facial cleanser and a traditional bar of soap matters more than you realize. In this video, we'll break down the real differences so you know exactly which one to choose to keep your skin healthy and glowing. Facial cleansers are specifically designed to gently remove dirt, oil, and makeup without disrupting your skin's natural barrier. They come in different forms: gels, foams, or creams, each tailored for a different skin type. Gel and foam cleansers are great for controlling oil, while cream cleansers are perfect for soothing dry or sensitive skin. Now, let's talk about traditional soap. These are made with a chemical process that results in a high pH, often between 9 and 10. This alkalinity cleans deeply, but it also strips away your skin's natural oils, leaving it dry and tight. But there's a good alternative. Modern Syndet bars are pH balanced and much gentler, making them a better choice if you love the feel of a bar. The secret is your skin's pH. Healthy skin is naturally slightly acidic, and this acidity protects against bacteria and helps lock in moisture. When you use a high pH soap, you disrupt this balance, weakening your skin's barrier and leading to dryness and irritation. Using a pH-balanced cleanser helps maintain this acidity, keeping your skin healthy and hydrated. So, when should you choose a cleanser versus a traditional soap? Oily or acne-prone skin? If your skin is oily, a bar with ingredients like charcoal or salicylic acid can be effective at controlling oil. But for a more controlled approach, foaming cleansers with these ingredients are a fantastic choice. For example, a natural bar with turmeric can help fight breakouts while still being gentle. Dry or sensitive skin, you should always go for a creamy, hydrating cleanser with ingredients like glycerin, hyaluronic acid, or ceramides. These are designed to nourish your skin, not strip it. Avoid harsh sulfates and fragrances. No matter what you choose, a great cleanse is all about technique. Always use lukewarm water. Gently massage the product into your skin in circles for about a minute. And always rinse thoroughly with clean water, patting your face dry with a clean towel. And one last tip: always check the ingredients list. Steer clear of things like sodium lauryl sulfate and synthetic fragrances, as they can be major irritants. Choose products with gentle, plant-based ingredients for a cleaner, healthier routine. Choosing the right face wash is a small step, but it can make a huge difference in your skin's health. By understanding the science behind pH and formulation, you can stop fighting your skin and start giving it the care it truly deserves. Subscribe to our channel for more tips on natural skincare and DIY beauty. Your skin will thank you.